Nesting of methods. In last classes, I explained that if I want to access any methods, I have to create an object and call that method using object name and dot operator. Or I have to use class name and dot operator if the method is static method. A method can be called directly without using any object or class name and dot operator if that method is belonging to the same class. The meaning here is I can call a method in another method if both the methods are belonging to same class. This is known as nesting of methods. A method can be called by using only its name by another method of the same class. That means I am not using dot operator as well as object or class name. So such concept is called as nesting of methods. Now here I have explained here with some example. Now here I have written one program that illustrate the nesting of methods, okay, inside a class. Here I have used two methods, largest and display. I used here two methods, largest and display, and this largest method is called in the display directly. For example, see here I have one class called as nesting which will accept two parameters n and m of type int. I have one constructor for initializing this n and m value here. Now I have used a method called as largest. This largest will just identify within m and n which value is large. It will check the both value and return the largest value. If m is larger, return m. If n is larger, return n. So this is the part just give you the largest of two number. Now in display I want to display the largest of two number. So instead of calculating again the largest of two number m and n, I just called a method called as largest here. I am not passing any object name as well as dot operator. I just call the largest. And this will find out the largest of m and n value and store it in a large, which is displayed here, the large value. Now how this is possible? I can directly call the largest here without using the dot operator because the display and largest belonging to the same class called as nesting. If the methods are in the same class, I can call the methods directly. There is no need of any object name as well as the class name. Now here the main method explains. I have created a one object called as nest by passing two parameters 50 and 40. 50 is stored in m, 40 is stored in n, and use here display. Here the largest values 50 will be displayed.